Hi, my name is Eli and this is Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you how to install the StayFocusd extension on Google Chrome. Now what I need for you to do is come down here to the bottom left hand corner, search up Google Chrome. Then from there, I want you to grab the URL I have in the description down below and paste it into the search bar. From there, click enter. Now I want you to come over here to this little search bar and just type up StayFocusd without the E. And then from there you have to click on this extension, it's the first one. Come up here and click add to Chrome. And then a box will pop up asking you if you want to add the extension. It's simple, click add extension. Okay, and boom, that was it. You just installed the StayFocusd extension on Google Chrome. Now, if you have any questions about what we talked about today, make sure to drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as fast as I can. This has been Eli from Tech Talk. See you next time.